Hello. Only the code we need to change here is here inside edprice.setText. Here we need to convert as to string, and then we run once again our code for search functionality. Here is our output, and if we first display, there are 1 2 3 4 IDs, and if I give the 2 ID and click on find, then our second book information is displayed inside this edit text. Then if I go towards the clear, if I give 4 ID, then 4th record will be displayed. Now we are doing the functionality for delete and book does not exist. Okay, now after we are displaying the book does not exist, we need to clear all these text boxes. All previous information we need to delete first. So if this message comes, then we need to clear all the text boxes or edit text controls. So here, then we move towards the delete functionality or update. First we are deleting record. Here one ID we are taking, and we need to delete that particular record from the database. Here we need one database here, this dot writable, because we need to update some records inside database. So we need writable database. Then we need to execute the query as db.delete, and inside that we need to give the table name first, parameter, then where clause. We need to give the where clause on column id is equal to question mark. Column ID is equal to and here column ID equal to question mark, and third parameter we need to give the array list, array of the passing parameter is id dot to string. Okay, so this we need to do only, and then we get the result of this execution or result, and we store inside this count variable, and this count we will return count. But before returning, we need to close the database. Here also, after finding, we need to close the database. In every function we need to close the database, as well as cursor if we opened. Here also inside search we need to close the cursor first and then DB. Before returning the value, we need to add these lines. Now here what is the functionality? Delete book. That ID is book we need to delete from the database. So if the returned value is more than 1, then record will be deleted successfully. Otherwise, no record will be deleted. So inside delete button, we check here val count is equal to db dot delete book, and here we need to give the edit id dot text dot to int. String dot to int. Okay, now if this count, or directly we give the toast message as that number of records will be deleted or has been deleted. Count number of records has been deleted. Okay. So we prepare the message first and then apply here. And here we give the message. Count books deleted successfully. Okay, if count value is 1, then 1 book deleted successfully, or 0 books deleted successfully, or 2 books deleted successfully. So we may run, but before running this, okay, we run first the delete functionality and then move towards the update functionality. We do step by step for better understanding, and if there are some errors, then we can easily remove it. So here, if I display, and if I want to delete this fourth book, I first find it and then delete it. One book deleted successfully message comes, but we may see immediately effect after deletion if we call the display function after deleting the record. Okay, after successfully deleting the record, we may call the display function for refreshing the list. So we may see the updated result. Okay, after clicking on display, we see the record is deleted, but we want immediate effect, so we may call display. And again, what we want, after deleting the record, all the text clear. So we can do this by copy pasting. Now we move towards the update functionality. Now here update, for update we prepare one object here and pass to update function. So where is the update function? Display here, here is the update. Now here we need to prepare one object as book is equal to book. Now default constructor is called here. Now after this, we need to set book dot title is equal to edit text title dot text dot toString we need to call. Okay, Then same way, book dot author is equal to ed author dot text dot toString. Then book dot price is equal to ed price dot text dot toString dot toInt actually text dot toInt. toInt is not there. toString and then toInt we can use toInt. What happened? Dot to okay. String required int and okay. So here we are passing integer integer dot parse int, and inside this text dot toString toString. Now in this way you can pass, and then this book object is prepared now, and then we are updating it. Okay. ID property we can also set here. Book dot ID is equal to edit ID dot text dot toString dot toInt. We can parse in this way also. And then that book we pass towards the update button, update function. So here we need to create one DB. No need. DB dot update book. Is there any function for updating book, or it is in comment? So we on this function, and then we pass that book here. DB dot update book, and inside this we pass this book. Okay. After passing, we are displaying that particular list, updated list, and clearing all these text boxes and showing the message as book updated successfully. Here we take integer result val count is equal to, and same message we are displaying inside update. Here is update button. Here is update. Book updated successfully. Okay. Now we do the functionality here. Here we are receiving one book and passing that count, that number of books will be updated successfully or not. And here I am taking one DB object and initializing as this dot writable, because we are updating the values. Then here db dot update, and here we are updating the table name. Then content values we need here, Second parameter is content values, then where clause, and then where clause argument array.